Inequalities.
Group 5.
By Ella, Ainsley, and Cassie.
Okay, so our first equation. Okay, so this is our one-step inequality. You're going to start by multiplying each side by -7. Then you have to flip your sign, and you'll get x is greater than or equal to -28. Now to graph it, you're going to have to do your number lines. And it's going to be a filled-in circle. And since the value of x is greater than -28, it'll be an up arrow.
Then our next problem is a two-step inequality. So the first thing you need to do is subtract 8 from both sides. And you have to do keep change opposite, and you get -20 is less than -4m. Then you're going to divide -4 on both sides, and you're going to switch the sign, so you get m is less than 5. So our next problem is a two-step inequality. And the first step is to subtract 8 from both sides. And you have to do keep change opposite, and you get -20. And then you bring everything down. Then you're going to divide, and you're going to divide -4 by 20, and you're going to flip the sign because you're dividing a negative number, and you're going to get m is less than +5. And so when you're going to graph this, you're going to have an open circle, and it's going to go this way, and your 5 is going to be in the middle.
So for the multi-step, first you have to combine like terms. So for the multi-step, first you have to combine -8 and +2, which should get -6x. Now you have to combine -5x and 7x, which should give you 2x. Then you have to add 6. And then you should get -16 is less than 8x. And then you have to divide both sides by 8. So then your result will be 8 is greater than -2. Then you have to graph it. And it'll be an open circle to the right.
Now we have our word problem. Each month, Sarah pays a service fee of $12 plus $1 per minute of her phone bill. She budgeted $84. How many minutes can she talk and stay within her limit? So first you're going to have to write your inequality. And so you have 12 plus 1, and then per minute that she can talk. So m is our variable, is per minute.
Greater than.
Is going to be less than or equal to $84. And the purpose is to figure out how many minutes she can talk and stay within her limit. So now we're going to subtract 12 from each side. So that's going to be 72. It's greater than or equal to 1. So then she can talk. So m is less than or equal to 72. So she can talk 72 minutes. Okay, so this is our word problem. Each month, Sarah pays a service fee of $12 plus $1 per minute for her phone bill. She budgeted $84. How many minutes can she talk and stay within her limit? So the purpose of this word problem is to find out how many minutes she can talk without going over her limit. And M is going to be minutes. So you're going to have the inequality 12 plus 1 has to be less than or equal to 84. So you're going to have to subtract 12. You'll get 72. 1m is less than or equal to negative 72. And so the end result is m is less than or equal to 72. To graph this, you're going to have a closed circle, and the arrow is going to be pointing down.
So here's your first practice problem.
And this is your second practice problem.